Meaning of gold plate.
Gold plate.
Gold plate.
Gold plate.
Gold plate. Gold plating refers to the practice of adding unnecessary features or functions to a product or project beyond its original scope, often resulting in increased cost, reduced efficiency, and longer development time. This can be a result of project managers trying to over-deliver to impress clients or stakeholders, or developers attempting to perfect their work beyond reasonable requirements. While gold plating may seem beneficial in the short term, it can ultimately harm the success of a project by diverting resources from essential tasks. Therefore, it's important to maintain a focus on the project's original goals and requirements to avoid unnecessary gold plating.